Hey up. So, guess what arrived in the post for me today? I'm really excited. I've been looking forward to this for absolutely ages. This was a birthday present of Katie. Now, if you don't know me and my wife, you might know that we are massive F1 fans. Absolute massive F1 fans. I've been looking forward to getting my hands on this for ages. Right, let's get on with it. Let's get rid of that. So this is The Art of the Race. It is volume, what's the volume? Volume 19, so it's the 2019 season. It's by Darren Heath. He's one of my favourite photographers. He follows the F1 circuit round every year and his images are just amazing. I absolutely love his images, they're fantastic. They're full of colour and speed. It's amazing how he can capture speed in a photograph. That's one of the things I really like about his work. And he's signed. I've got a signed copy. Oh, I didn't realise it was going to be signed. That is absolutely ace. I'm such a kid. I've loved F1 since 95. Yeah, 95. And 96 was Damon Hill's year, if I remember rightly. Yeah, 95. 95 when Schumacher tried to take out Hill right at the end and got away with it. And 96 where Hill actually got his title. That was fantastic. And then I've loved it ever since. Brilliant.